If you are a business owner, manager, or just someone who loves understanding how businesses really work, you are in the right place. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our finance tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to Imaticus Learning. Today, we are unlocking the magic behind working capital management. Now, I know what you're thinking. Working capital sounds pretty dry, right? But stick with me, because working capital is like the fuel that keeps your business engine running. If you don't keep an eye on it, you might find yourself stuck on the side of the road out of gas. Let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. Why should you care about working capital? It's not just about having cash in hand. It's about having enough cash in hand. Good working capital management means you are never scrambling to pay bills. You are running efficiently, and it can even save you money on interest and improve your business's credit. Liquidity. It ensures you have got enough cash to cover those short-term debts. No cash, no smooth sailing. Operational efficiency. It keeps your inventory and receivables in check for smooth operations. Financial health. Good working capital management can improve your credit and even reduce borrowing costs. Saving money is equal to success. Let's get into the core pieces of working capital: current assets and current liabilities. Think of these as the inflow and outflow of your business. Current assets. This includes cash, accounts receivable, and inventory. Cash is king. Accounts receivable is the money customers owe you, and inventory is all the goods ready to fly off the shelves. Current liabilities. On the flip side, we have current liabilities. Things you need to pay within the year, like bills and short-term loans. These are your due now payments. Balancing these components is key to keeping your business financially healthy. Now, let's talk about the working capital cycle. This is the time it takes to turn assets into cash, a time to recharge for your business. The cycle includes 3 stages: buying inventory, selling products, and collecting cash from customers. By shortening this cycle, you can have cash in hand sooner. Imagine reducing your wait time from days to hours. Who doesn't want express delivery on cash flow? Okay, so how can we make sure we are always running smoothly? Here are a few top strategies. Inventory management. Track inventory with a just-in-time system to cut down on extra stock and reduce storage costs. Receivables management. Got customers taking their time to pay? Offer early payment discounts or friendly reminders. Every day counts. Payables management. Negotiate payment terms with suppliers. Extending payment periods keeps cash on hand longer. These strategies help you manage cash flow better, whether you are a startup or a seasoned business. Let's bring this to life with a couple of real-world examples. Example 1. A retail company. A well-known retail chain used a new inventory system to cut down excess stock by 30%, freeing up cash and improving their turnover rate. Example 2. A manufacturing firm. This manufacturing firm adopted automated invoicing and cut their collection period from 60 days to 30, doubling their liquidity. And that's a wrap. We have covered what working capital management is, why it matters, its key components, some effective strategies, and even real-world examples. Working capital might sound complicated, but it's all about making sure you have got enough cash flow to keep your business engine running smoothly. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to learn more concepts of finance.